Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be showing fuse box location on this Infiniti. I'm sure they're similar. First, if you want to get to the OBD port, it's right under the steering wheel, right in here. There's your OBD port if you need to plug something in. And to get to your first fuse box location, it will be right here on this side. You just push it down and that cover comes off like this. You just push it down, it comes off, and there's your fuses right in there, and that's the location of them. To close it up, just line up the bottom. And there you go. So to get to your second one, you have to open the hood. And the second one is right in here. To open it, there's 1, 2, 3. And there's your fuses and relays and location on the cover. Close it back up, just line it up. And there you go. Also, you have some more. It's more like a relays. You open this where it says battery. This box right here, you just pull it up from this side. And same thing on the other side. That comes off, and there's your relays. There's also some kind of, I don't know, it's a positive, some fuses, whatever it is, I'm not sure. Comment below if you know. Something's on it as well. It has numbers 88 and then 100. So this should be it for this car. If you know more, comment below. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.